girl filming and the battery freaking died. The battery freaking died and I'm over here looking at the screen the whole time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paris and my channel is called Vibes with Paris. And as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm doing yet another box braid video. And the type of gel that I will be using on my hair, well, technically it's not gel, it's edge wax. It is Murray's Edge Wax. This is all I had on hand. I didn't have time to make a trip to the beauty supply store, but it will have to do until I make a run to the beauty supply. And I want to say Happy New Year, guys. I hope that you have a great, prosperous, healthy, wealthy 2025. I'm looking to grow during this year, so look forward to that journey. And if you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. As always, do not forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you do not miss any future videos. And I'm really not going to talk too much in this video, so I'll just let you guys watch. Thanks for watching.
I got to tell you, baby.
Riding dirty in the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch a dime kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. Yeah, my pockets think it's green as curly, and the ladies know as soon as they see my jewelry. If being fresh to death is a crime, I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires stay on the grind, hustle like me is hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's some lessons about some dollars. Really don't need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step, yep, it's going down.
Don't let I just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. It's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave them high heel shoes, 'cause I love it when you're looking at me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your
I sat there and said I would not be that girl filming, and the battery freaking died. The battery freaking died, and I'm over here looking at the screen the whole time. Ah! So let's get back into it.
I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna go. I don't really wanna stay, but I really wanna. Can we get it together? Get it together.
No, I didn't.
Listen to me. I don't wanna. I really wanna stay. Don't wanna go. I really need to know. Can we? I hope, I pray, baby.
We could've been, we could've been, we could've